En Soleil 511?
Yes, A.
We've got a real treat for you guys today. Very rarely does something come available in this building, and we're going to give you a tour of it. So, Alice, let's get started.
Yes. Take us in.
Sean and Alice here, Bay Real experts, Coldwell Banker Realty at Panama City Beach, of course. But we're going to take a tour of En Soleil. We're on the balcony right now.
Let me say this. Thanks to Kirsten McAndrew for allowing us to do this private buyer's video. She is with RC Real Estate.
There's the pool. What a gorgeous day.
So in unit here, Sean is showing you the pool, and on the left hand side, you take a look at Rick Seltzer Park.
And then just next to it is Dunes of Panama.
Right.
I know the view is probably something that everyone's most excited about, but let's show you the condo. I just can't, not yet. I mean, it's just beautiful today. Yesterday we had some scattered clouds, so you weren't really able to capture the turquoise water, but beautiful, beautiful day. All right, I'm gonna go to the front door and then walk on in.
Unit, you can see all the way to Thomas Drive, you know.
Oh, well, let's look at that real quick.
So you can check on the traffic. See how the Rick Seltzer Park are all redone. It looks really nice. The parking lot.
All right, let's jump through hyperspace to the front door. So here you are at your front door, but before we go inside, I just want to show you guys.
They only have 3 units per flooring.
There's your bank of elevators, your neighbor at 512 and 513. That's it. For this floor, that's it.
Welcome home.
Fire escape, stairwell. That was off to the left there.
So y'all have to excuse that somebody just checked out. This unit has been rented non-stop until August. So today is a turn day. So it's a little bit messy, if you can overlook that.
Well, with those views, I think we can appreciate the space inside, knowing that we just need to make the beds and it will be just as beautiful as outside.
Yeah, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, 2,316 square feet. So when you come from the front door, if you turn left like Sean did, you're gonna have access to the bedrooms. And you pass the laundry room on the right, showing you the views from the windows. And then we're gonna turn on the right-hand side, the other side, to show you the living room and the master. So it is a split floor plan.
What's there? Is that a utility closet?
Yes, it is.
Nice.
And storage space.
Okay.
No carpet here in this unit. They had updated with LVP.
Looks like an owner's closet.
Yep.
Locked so we can't get in. More views. Wow, gorgeous. And then a view from this bedroom out to the Gulf.
So technically you have 2 suites, one on the left and one on the right.
For orientation purposes, we're back at the foyer. It's the front door on the right there. Dining room.
So the kitchen has granite countertops. Good and spacious.
Hey, look. The person who checked out left some snacks.
Nice.
Oh, it's empty. Got a fireplace
Yes.
right in your living room. This is beautiful.
Very nice space, very nice views.
Yep, and here's your view from the living room window. And we have one bedroom left. Oh yeah, this is where it's at. If you're paying the bill for this place, this is your room.
Come check the big bathroom.
Oh yeah.
Got a soaker tub in there.
Jetted soaker tub. Check it out. Big walk-in closet in here too. Room for everything.
That is a huge shower too. So, needless to say that pretty spacious.
Yeah. Hey, and there's a chair in there too, so you can shave your legs or take a break.
Right.
Private water closet with a pocket door here and some more storage in there.
So 12-foot ceilings with crown molding all around it. And 1,700 square feet of balcony.
And check this out. This is where we started the video. This is a gas grill. There's not very many condos in Panama City Beach where you have a grill at all, let alone a gas grill on your balcony. And this balcony is huge.
It's
You
saying
know-
here 1,700 square feet.
Out, yeah, I believe it. Very nice. Well, you guys, we're gonna try and get down to the pool. I don't know how private it is. Doesn't look like there's a lot of people, so we might be able to go walk around the pool area.
The pool is beautiful.
So in case we do not, we're going to take a moment just to say thanks again for tuning in. And if you have property in Soleil that you'd like to buy or sell, I'm trying to protect the wind noise here, we would love to help you. Our contact information is below, and don't forget to hit like.
Subscribe.
If you like her smile, hit subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys on the next one. So back at the elevators here, you got a great view of the fountain out front, Thomas Drive, and the parking lot out front. Not that the elevators really take a long time in this building, but it is interesting to have something to look at while you're waiting. So see, elevator's already here. And normally there's not pads up on the elevator here, but typically when somebody's moving or they're doing any kind of renovations, you'll see these pads on the walls in the elevator. We just popped off the elevator at the garage level, so you can see the covered parking in this building. The spaces, looks like you're allowed to have some storage as long as you can still fit your car in the space. So protected from the elements. And as you saw, there was security out front. So if you're not supposed to be here, this is probably the only way you get to see down here is through one of these tours. If you want to see, look at it, no pads in here. This is what the elevators normally look like.
So what I did, what?
So the unit that we were just inside was in the east tower. And now we're downstairs. So if you were dropping off and loading and unloading, you could do it under the cover there.
They do have a secure gate over there. We didn't go through because the security was closed. So we park in the front. So you can only pass if you have the gate code.
Looks like this fountain is getting worked on right now. And we're going over to the west
to the west tower. I'm gonna get the door for you.
I was just gonna ask you, would you be a gentleman and please get the door for me?
Yes. I'll be a lady.
You're so much fun. Check out the design that they have in the tile here. It's such a classy building. Actually, the floor is exactly the same in the other tower. We're gonna take you out to the pool now.
I'm thirsty.
Oh,
Oh, never mind, there's no water.
I guess it doesn't matter if you're thirsty.
Right?
They said no for you.
So here's the owner's lounge.
Oh, let's check that out. Little place to play cards if it's raining. You want to get out of the room, but maybe the weather isn't suitable for it. So tell us about these first floor units that have...
I know, so on the first floor, you get a private pool and it's gated. There's your own private pool.
Very nice. Yep.
That's really nice.
See another one right on the other side of the stairs. Private pool, private patio if you're on the first floor. And then we're down at the pool. I think this, you saw in the beginning of the video when we were looking down on the pool, you got to really see the unique shape of it. Should I push her in?
And there's another pool on the top.
Yeah, we'll go check that out in a minute as well. You got a hot tub right here. Some grassy area.
Nice place to enjoy a margarita.
Absolutely. I'll take mine right here. So you got an infinity edge there in that upper pool, the little waterfall that comes down. And then you even have a shower right here to wash the sand off when you're coming from the beach. Hey, look, another one.
It's just a beautiful day.
Absolutely stunning, you're right. You can see all the way down to St. Andrews State Park. If you look that way, and the Miller County Pier. Well, we had a blast with you guys today. This really was a treat
It feels so relaxing.
to come to Soleil. So if you guys would like to buy a $1 million condo like the one we just showed you, we would love to show it to you. This is the best part of our job, is to come to these beautiful places. So give us a call. We'd love to help you.
Contact information is below. We'd love to hear from you.
And
Give
if
us a call.
Yeah, for sure. And if you guys have gone on vacation here, we'd love to see what you thought about it. Go ahead and leave us a comment down below. We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Sean and Alice, Coldwell Banker Realty, Bay Row expert for you.
All that branding stuff. Keep going, keep going. All right, you guys. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.